Or is there, like, some sort of protocol to make the AI cough every so often so that it sounds human? Because I don't like this. I don't think they should imitate humans at all. If anything, they should make the voices sound more robotic. There should be a kind of denaturing, like how, you have to put weird shit into alcohol to sell it as something other than a drink so that you don't have to pay taxes like it's a beverage. And there should be regulations that you can't make AI outputs sound like a human voice.